In today's video, we're going to change the rear brakes on this 2016 Mercedes GLE 350. First, turn it around, then put some blocks in it. Then I'll show you the inside of what's going to happen before we actually take the wheel off and then the calipers. To begin our rear brake change, first locate the bolt lock and put blocks in front of your wheels so that your car doesn't roll away. Also make sure you're working on a level surface. The bolt lock for the wheels is stored next to the spare tire. Next, jump in the driver's seat and turn the car on. Pull the parking brake to disengage it. Now press down on the brake pedal. With one hand on the key and one hand on the parking brake, turn off the car and pull the parking brake at the same time. The parking brake is temporarily disabled. Keep the blocks in front of the wheels and gently raise the car with a jack. Now remove the wheel using a 17mm socket on a torque wrench. Now to remove the caliper, take a 13mm and remove these two bolts.
It's 13mm.
If they're stuck, you can use a rubber mallet to gently loosen them. Then take some pliers and hold this nut in place so that you can fully remove the bolt from the caliper. Repeat the process with the bottom bolt. If your caliper is stuck, next we'll use a C-clamp to gently press the caliper in a bit. Emphasis on gentle and a bit. Now there is a flat spot on the back of the caliper. Don't clamp on the brake line or it will break, and not in a good way. The side closest to you will be clamping on the brake pad itself. Give the C-clamp 1 or 2 turns, then back the clamp off, and that should be enough to remove the caliper from the brakes. Next, remove this clip by pressing a small screwdriver in between the casing here, and wiggle the clip out. Then rest the caliper on a box. Pull the brake pads out. Keep in mind which brake pads went where. This is a driver's side brake. On the passenger side brake, there was a brake wear sensor that you need to disengage from this hole. Next, we'll remove the 2 brake guides one by one. If your new pads come with guides, use the new guides. If they don't, then clean the old ones. The new guides are tight, but if you line the pads with the guides like a door hinge and close the door, they should snap into place easily. Next, we'll remove the brake assist from the caliper. Take a T30 Torx wrench and remove the 2 screws holding the brake assist unit to the caliper. Once those are gone, wriggle the brake assist off the caliper without stressing the brake line. This is the brake assist. Locate where this gear lines up with your caliper. Take a T45 and loosen the caliper by hand. Turn it several times towards you. Now take a smaller C-clamp and reset the caliper. Test the caliper. If it doesn't fit on the new brake pads, loosen the caliper just a bit more. Not too much though, just enough to slide the caliper over the brakes. Next, reattach the brake assist to the caliper. It may be tough, but if you can get it seated to the caliper, the T30 screws will tighten them together. Then you'll reattach the plug for the parking brake right here. After that, slide the caliper over the brake pads and reconnect it to the rotor with the 13mm bolts. Reattach your wheel and lower the car off the jack and remove the blocks, assuming you're on a level surface. Into the driver's side again. Pump the brakes until they become firm. Turn the car on, pull it forward a couple feet, put the car in park, and then press the parking brake in. It should engage like normal. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful, and I will see you again next week.